We're gonna add slides to our storyboard. Simply click on slides, and you can see here the library of slides that we've already uploaded. How about let's upload a new slide. After successfully uploading, you can preview your slides using these options by clicking on the three dots. Select the slides and select the presenter, and you can have options here. You can change whatever you want it to be and set a timer, and you can even also have the option for attendees to download the slides. You can shorten the slides. I'm going to set this to somewhere around 5, and let's continue. Now play around and click play, and you can adjust the slides and advance it. You can also use the laser pointer, and you also have the slide tools here and jump from one slide to another. Now, this is how it would look like in the attendees view. And they can download the slides as well by clicking this button and save it locally on their computer. That's it. Thank you very much.